The first wolf came in the summer of 2021. Then we had pups, 5 pups in 2022, and then it went on. All mouflons were, for instance, killed by Christmas 2022. So in 1.5 years, 300 mouflons dead. Outside the park, they also eat a lot of wildlife. They attacked some horses and they attacked some cows.
Definitely a political move. There's no science behind it. What really works and has proven to be effective is non-lethal methods like electric fence and other what we call coexistence measure. That really works in terms of stopping the attacks, while culling and shooting, even if it seems the fastest, is really ineffective.
I understand that the farmers had a lot of troubles with it. But for me personally, I love the wolf.